let's move on to class. Last class we discussed, so with the help of Terraform, how we can create so RDS, already MySQL, how to create a database and all, you see, right? So today we'll see there is some more EBS and EFS and all, very very important. First let me come to here, EBS, yes, EFS and all. So EBS, already elastic block storage. Elastic block storage means if we create any EC2 instance, by default, so it will come 8 GB, right? So if we create any instance, so first I'm going to create one instance. So today we are going to see mostly what is EBS and EFS and NFS. So interview also they are asking what is EBS, EFS and NFS and all. So elastic block storage, EBS and so EFS and EFS, network file system, NFS, EFS, NFS, NFS, NFS. So these are the services provided. So AWS people. If we search here, so first I am creating one instance. Then we can understand easily. So create one instance, launch instance, and I am creating. So for example, EBS EC2 instance and Linux machine. Just select free tier enough. So free tier enough, and this is also enough key pair. I am selecting my existing key pair. So my existing key pair, and these all are so right. So network, if you want to, we can create whatever you want. We can select it. That's it. 8 GB default. So for free tier instance and all, we can use up to customers can get up to 30 GB. So if you want, so we can use up to 30 GB and 8 GB enough for me launch instance. So I hope this and all, so everyone know. Now, for example, so right now I am using 8 GB. So in this mission, I try to install multiple packages, but I don't have space. I don't have space. So how to increase space and all? This is the one service provided by AWS people. See here, if you go to Elastic Block Store, there we can see one option volumes. So if we see here, so by default there is 8 GB available in use. See here, availability zone US East 1 in use. In use means already used. So this is we don't want, right? Delete volume, delete. So these are the volume in used. So if you want to check it, how to check whether in used or not, go to here. So instances, this is my launch instance. Click on here, click on here. If you go to here storage, if you go to here storage, if you go to here storage, see here by default there is, this is the root device name, root device slash dev slash xvda. So by default this is 8 GB. See here volume size 8 GB and volume ID fe6 and attached, and date and time we can see same. So this is a common root device type EBS. See here, this is the root device type EBS. Okay, and this is our device name. This is our so device name. This is our device name. This is our device name. Just assume. So in this instance, I try to connect multiple softwares. Space is over. I don't have space. So here our target is so how to increase the space. How to increase the space. So if you go here, where is this? Go here and click on instances. Click on instance, connect, copy this one. First, let me connect my instance. Then we can understand. See here. So bash, git bash. So first I am connecting. Okay. So these are the common steps only. These are the common steps only. So yes, and CLS. Okay. Now how to check the spaces and all, right? Drive spaces and all. How to check drive spaces and all? Linux command. I want to see what are the drives available, how much space I used. I want to see that information. So what is the command? Or Chandrasekhar? Ashish. What is the command? Linux command. So there is two commands mostly we are using, right? df, du. What is df, du? Du means disk usage. Df means I want to see the partitions. Okay, df. So mostly we know, right? Df, duc. Df command Linux outcome disk free. Disk free shows the amount of disk space available and used on the Linux system. So usually we are using this command. Usually we are using this command. Now see here df hyphen and kh readable format and all we can see here. So we can see here. So this is the default size and used and available space. What is the percentage and all? See here. This is the xvdal. This is the which value, guys? Root value. This is the which value? Chandrasekhar, clear? This is slash dv slash xv dal. This is a which value? Root volume space. Root volume space, how much attached? 8 GB, right? Default. So this is it, root volume 8 GB. Now if you see here, if you go here, storage, see here, there is a, this is the root device name slash dv slash xvda. This is the root volume. What is the space? 8 GB. Clear? Assis. So this is a root value. Now here what is our target? So this is my instance. So by I used a real time, right? This is my EC2 instance. This is my EC2 instance. EC2 instance. So now I want to increase the space. I want to add extra space. I want to add extra space. So how to add it? So for this purpose we are using EBS. So whatever space you want, first we need to create the one EBS value, and so just attach it to, that's it. Right, pen drive. Suppose I buy one new pen drive. What you need to do? I buy one new pen drive. So just assume this is my laptop. I have some space. I don't have any space. I want to take some backup and I want to use it. So if you buy any new pen drive, what we will do? For example, I buy 16 GB pen drive. So 16 GB pen drive directly I can use it. If you buy any new pen drive, any disk, first what you need to do? చంద్రశేఖర్ ఏం చేస్తామని దాన్ని ఆశిష్ వినిపిస్తుందా?
Yes.
ఐ బై వన్ న్యూ పెన్ డ్రైవ్. ఫస్ట్ మీరు పెన్ డ్రైవ్ బై చేసిన తర్వాత దాన్ని ఏం చేయాలి? ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత వీ నీడ్ టు ఫార్మేట్, రైట్? సో ఆఫ్టర్ ఫార్మేట్ వీ కెన్ యూజ్ ఇట్, కరెక్ట్? After format, so we can use it. Now so this is a EC2 instance. So for this instance by default, so 8 GB available, 8 GB. So 8 GB available. So 8 GB, this is 8 GB not enough for me. నాకు స్పేస్ అయిపోయింది, 8 GB space. So over, I want to add extra space. I want to add extra space. So how to create, how to add and all, this is the EBC. This is the EBS, elastic block storage. EBS means elastic block storage. See here, click on volume, and so click on new volume, and so this is the create an Amazon EBS volume to attach any EC2 instance in the same availability zone. Here one more you need to understand. So I am going to create, I am going to, this instance is running one availability zone. So this instance is running availability zone. Which availability zone it is running? First we need to check it. So my instance is running one availability zone. See here, which availability zone? US East 1A. Where it is running? My instance US 1A. Okay. So suppose my instance is running so US 1A. US East 1 1A, right? 1A. Suppose if you want to attach any extra space, that is nothing but EBS value. So we have to create same region only. US East 1A. This is the one basic point. So my instance is running US 1A. If you want to add any extra space, if you want to attach any extra space, where you have to create EBS also same region where we have to create, this is the some basic point. Okay, so if we click on EBS, if we click on volume, if we click on volume, see here, create Amazon EBS volume to attach any EC2 instance. So in the same availability zone, make sure that where is your instance is running same region we need to create so EBS also, otherwise we cannot attach, otherwise we cannot attach. I hope you got it right. Clear. So we have to create a same availability zone. Before creating EBS value, first check it EEC2 instance. So we know right, US East 1A. Now go to here, click on new volume, and so these are the types, guys. So general purpose, there is different types we can use it. The general purpose leave it is. So see here. So size, how many maximum we can use 16,384 GB and minimum 1 GB. Minimum 1 GB, maximum 1 GB we can use it. Now got it? So interval also they asked. So if we create any volume, EBS volume, so minimum 1 GB, maximum 16,384 GB. That is the maximum. One only for testing purpose, right? I can give anyone. For example, I given 4 GB or 1 GB. Two, that is your wish. So for example, I need extra 4 GB. Okay, I given. And so input output per second. This is the same reading input output per second. These are the same only. Now this is very important. So I am going to create one EBS value and make sure that where you want to create. So I need to create availability zone. See here A, B, C, D, E, F and many available. So now where I need to create my instance also running US 1A. So my EBS need to create where I need to create 1A or 1B or 1C, నేను ఎక్కడ
One
క్రియేట్
is
చేయాలి సేమ్ 1A వేర్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఇన్స్టెన్స్ ఈజ్ రన్నింగ్ నౌ దిస్ ఈజ్ ద స్నాప్షాట్ ఐడి లీవ్ ఇట్ అండ్ ఎన్క్రిప్షన్ రిమైనింగ్ ఈజ్ సేమ్ ఆప్షన్స్ ఓన్లీ create volume see here volume is created now check it now volume is created 4 GB give any name if you want to we can give okay for example DevOps VOL volume. I given DevOps volume name. Okay, this is the tag name. Okay, now this is the root. This is the root. This is the root. Now go to your storage. Go to storage, instance storage. Go to here, click on ID, instance ID, and go to here, storage, and see here. Go to storage. Go to storage, and so click on share. As of now, how many devices available, guys? How many root devices? Only
one only.
one. Just now I created I just now I created volume. Did I attach this volume to instance as of now? No, right? Just నేను క్రియేట్ చేసినాను నేను అటాచ్ చేశానా no. So now how to attach the volume to instance. Now second part, see here volume is created. So if you want to attach any instance any volume to instance, so now see here select the volume and go to action, and there is one option, see here attach. So just now I created the one volume, guys. I created so volume name. So I created so volume name. I created volume 4 GB, and so I didn't attach. So now I'm going to attach this instance. If you want to attach this volume to this instance, so we need to go. This is the option. Select your volume and go to action and click on attach volume, and so these are the options. See here this is the volume id. So this is the volume id. This is the volume id and availability zone. My volume id available us east 1A. Now if you click on here, so only this particular region, this particular availability zone, what are the instances available, that should be listed here only. I hope you understand, right? అంటే ఈ అవైలబిలిటీ జోన్లో ఏ ఇన్స్టెన్స్ రన్ అవుతున్నాయో అవే డిస్ప్లే అవుతాయి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇన్ బి, అవైలబిలిటీ బి, I have one more instance. So that instance it won't visible here. This is the basic point. ఓకే, నా వాల్యూమ్ ఏ రీజియన్లో రన్ అవుతా ఉందో సో ఆ రీజియన్లో రన్నింగ్ ఇన్స్టెన్సే డిస్ప్లే అవుతాయి హియర్. క్లియర్? ఎనీవన్ ఎనీ డౌట్ హియర్? So now see here 5D, F5D. This is my instance or not, check it. So 5D, right? Duplicate, check it. So dashboard, click on dashboard, click on so dashboard, check it here, check it here, and see here F5D, correct? So now both are in same select your instance, and this is the device name. Device name means as of now this instance I have one root name, root device name. If you go to here, this is the root device name. See here /dvxvda. This is my root device name. So this is the default one. This is the default one. This is the default one. We cannot change anything. This is the default name, root device name. This is the root name, root device name, root so device name. Now I am attached this, right? For this device what name you want? We need to give one pen drive. If you format pen drive, it is asking one device name also, right? Same way, which name you want to assign. See here device name, if we click on here, so these are the device names, guys. We can select anyone, that is your wish. We can select anyone, that is so your wish. Whatever you want we can select it. I hope you understand, right? Anyone any doubt? So this is my volume name, that is I created one volume 4 GB, right? So for this what name you want to give? Now got it? See here, never Linux kernel may rename the root device name. This is this one and all through the so DP internally. When you want device name entered here, and so this is the through the so path. This is the path. This is the default name. This is my volume name. Just click attach it. That's it. Anyone any doubt here? So now attached. Now go to instance. Just refresh it. So previous మనకి ఏం చేసింది, ఓన్లీ రూట్ డివైస్ ఉంది. Now we can see two more devices. Now we can see one more device. See here one more device. What is the device name? dv/xvdbf. How much GB attached? 4 GB. How much DB attached? 4 GB. Now got it? అర్థమైందా? Anyone any doubt? Clear, guys? So this is the root volume. By default if we create any instance it is coming. So we cannot do anything. Here I created manually one volume and I attached this volume to my instance. Now total 8 plus 12, 8 plus 4, 12 GB. Now check it here. So if you want to check it, df-kh also we can use it. Now see here one more device, we can see 4 GB. So this is the 8 GB, and so still it is not dv. This is the root device, not visible, right? Now I'm going to format. So once you buy the any hard disk or any pen drive and all, you are doing format, right? Format means you know, right? So if you right click on this device, if you right click on device, if you right click on device, it right click on device, so we can see format. This is the format option. This is Windows, right? But if you want to format any volumes and all, any root, any right, EBS volumes and all, so we need to use one pattern. We need to use one pattern, that is the MKFS, and which format you want to format, and that and all. So we need to use. So this is the already. I hope everyone have this document, and so in this document, so already here available. Just check it. So here if you want to format, this is the command, this is the command. So what is the command? So sudo mkfs make file system, and ext4 and ext3, there is different ways we can do it. We need to format it, we need to format. I want to see the list of volumes, lsblk block storage. If you want to see lsblk, lsblk, now we can check it here. Now we can check it here. So see here, this is the my device name, extra added, right? 4 GB extra added, right? xvdb dbf. This is my extra. So this is the disk. So this is the default one. This is the root volume 8 GB default one. Just now I added one more. Now how to format this disk? How to format this disk? If you want to format, this is the command sudo mkfs dot ext4 one pattern, your device name, your device name. This is very simple only. So if you want to format your device name, what is my device name? What is my device name, guys? Slash dv slash and your device name. So this is the xvdbf. This is my device name. This is my device name. Sorry, sudo mkfs dot ext. This is a file format. This is a make file system format one type. Slash dv slash xvdbf. This is my device name. This is my device name. Now got it, guys? Anyone any doubt? So if you want to see the drives and all, so lsblk block storage device and all. And so if you want to see, if you want to format, this is the command mkfs make file system. If you don't know, just google it. So there is different ways we can format. This is the one way, mkfs ext4. And which device you want to format? My device name slash dv slash xvdbf. Here also we can check it. Here also we can so check it. Here also we can so check it. So let me log in here. Why it is log out? I don't know. Password. So multi-factor authentication. Multi-factor authentication. Where is this one? Multi-factor authentication. Let me log in that one. Factor. Google Authenticator. Open. 546610. Okay. 546610. Madi. Hmm. 610. So now see here, attach this. Now I log it into here. Now, so this is the device name, right? Now, if you go to instance also, we can check that one. Go to here, storage, and what is the device name? This is my device name. This is the root device name. This is my just now added one device name. Now I formatted. So now see here, mkfs sudo mkfs and ext4 and device name. Just click on, just only format, guys. What is happening? The file dvs sv not exist. Okay. What is the name? Name xvd xvdbf. Okay. So now see here, that is done. See here. So creating file system with black and nodes file system UID and all, it is created, allocated group label, done everything. Now the device is formatting. Just I done only the what is this command mkfs. This is the make file system. If you want to format, this is the command. This is the command. Now how to use it? Now how to use this space, guys? 4 GB. Now check it. lsblk lsblk. Now see here. So lsblk. Now see here, this is also formatted. This is formatted, and this is the 4 GB. And so 4 GB we can check so everything. Anyone any doubt here, guys? Now formatted also done. Now how to use this space? I attached 4 GB, right? How to use this space? If you want to use this space, see here, this is the mount. If you want to mount, so if you want to check it, see here. So this is the df df disk hyphen df hyphen so kh. If you use this is the mounted, right? This is the mounted path. If you want to check it, so this is the mounted area, right? So same way, if you want to use and we need to use one more command, last command. This is mount device name and which software, which package purpose you want to use, so that and all we can use it. This is very simple. Mount device name and path. For example, I installed Jenkins software. For Jenkins, if you install any Jenkins software, at least it will take some space, right? And if you run multiple builds, it is occupying more space. I don't have any space for Jenkins workspace. So I want to increase. I want to attach this volume to my Jenkins. So that case, this is the sudo mount and your device name dv slash x xvd except for xv na. What is the name? It is name device. Why it is you are signed out? Please reload and again. Environment console again. So click on here. So here, this is the device name. Click on here. So this is the device name instances. Click on instance and go to here storage. This is my device name. What is my xvdbf? What is the device name? xvdbf. This is the last command, guys. So if you want to use it, sudo mount and your device name space for which software or which package, which servers you want to attach this value. So that case we need to use here I am using Jenkins, right? After installation Jenkins, for Jenkins I don't have space, I can use it. Not only Jenkins, for where you want to attach, so we can give that path. So this is the variable. If you want to Jenkins lib variable lib Jenkins wherever you want, so we can use it. So this is the path I given, variable lib Jenkins. After installing Jenkins, we can give this path, right? I am attaching this my volume to Jenkins. Anyway, right now I don't have Jenkins. This is the last command. Anyone any doubt, guys, here?
No, sir.
Only 4. So if you some case, if you want to increase your space, I don't have my instance space. My space is over. Whenever if you want to attach, so create one volume, and so attach this volume to instance, format this volume, and which purpose you want to use, last command, mount command. Last command is mount. That's it. This is the EBS, Elastic Block Storage. Now same way, there is one more. I hope clear, right? Anyone any doubt here? What Ashish, Shiva, Chandrasekhar, clear? Kiran.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now there is one more. Mostly they are asking EFS, Elastic File System. This is also one service. If you go here, if you search here, EFS, Elastic, see here, managed file storage for EC2. Managed file storage for EC2. So this is the one service EFS. So this is the one service EFS. This is the one service EFS, managed file storage. If you want to, first you need to create. So as of now we know, right? So you know, right? EBS you know, and same way EFS you know, EFS, Elastic File System, and same way object storage. We know, right? Object storage. Storage. You know, right? What is the storage? S3. These all are related to, this is the black storage. One is black storage, one is file storage. This is the elastic block storage, and this is the EFS file storage, and this is the object storage S3. This is the common. Mostly we can use anyone. So we can use anyone. That is your wish. Now we know S3 already know. Now EBS already know. Now we know. Now we go for EFS. EFS means just assume this is very simple only. So first try to understand. So for example, and so I am going to create two instances, guys. I am going to create two instances. Just assume two instances. And real time, how we can use this one? This is the instance one. Just assume this is the one server. This is the one web server, and this is also one web server. This is also one application server or web server, whatever it may be. Okay, web server. I have some files. So I have some static files. I have some configuration files. I want to copy from this server to from this server, from this server to from this server. How it will work, guys? Anyone, any doubt? I have some files here. Just assume I have some files here, some static files, some configuration files, anything. Website means for every web server means some files, static files, or some configuration files, configuration files. I have many things I want to copy. I want to copy from this server to from this server, from this server to from this server. So how we can do? ఇప్పటివరకు ఎలా చేయొచ్చు మీరు? EC2. This is also one EC2 instance. Same way, this is also one EC2 instance. This is also one EC2 instance. Now I want to copy. I want to do some common location and all. How we can do it? Anyone? నాకు వెబ్ సర్వర్స్ రిలేటెడ్ సమ్ స్టాటిక్ ఫైల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, సమ్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ ఫైల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. Yes, something. I want to, right? So give some common works, common path, like a storage path. How many ways we can do it? అర్థమవుతుందా? I have some files here. Right? S3 replication. Right? One concept in S3 bucket. S3 bucket. So replication. Correct? Object replication. Right? Bucket. ఇది అర్థమైతే ఇది కూడా అర్థమైపోతుంది. Nothing. So I created two buckets. If I keep any file here, one bucket, that file automatically reflected in another bucket. So if I keep any file here, so that file automatically we can see here. Clear? Anyone, any doubt here? అర్థమవుతుందా? రమ్య, clear? Same
Yes.
concept here also. Now there is a these people they are providing so some service EFS, elastic file system. I want to store some files, some common files. I'm giving one path. So if we keep that files, that particular path, so automatically these files visible here also, in this path also. Or NFS, or NFS, network file system. So now via network we can access, via network we can access, and this is like a common path for both. This is the one path for both web servers. Whatever we want, we can keep it here. Whatever we want, we can keep it here. That's it. Now same thing I am going to do here. See here how it will work. Now go to here, instance, go to here, EC2, EC2, go to here, EC2. So same thing we can implement via this also. We can implement via right? So Terraform also. I am going to create two instances, launch instance, and here so we need to, so this is the path, right? This is the EFS NFS, right? So NFS, and NFS we have one port number. This is the default, it is available. If it is not available, we need to install also NFS one port number. Default port number is 2039 something. I don't know. Just check it. We'll see. Now go to here. So first go to here. Go to first. I'm going to create one security group also. One security group also. We can use same security group. So security group name I am giving okay, EFS or NFS. NFS security group for demo purpose I am giving, and so we need to allow by default assets we are allowing, right? And same way add rule, right? TCP here if you select custom TCP SSH. SSH means why I need to allow SSH? If you want to connect any instance, how we are connecting SSH, right? 22. That's it. Now we are going to use EFS, right? NFS. So NFS is the one server, like internally it is acting one server. So we need to allow only NFS. Where is that? EFS, not EFS. You need to search NFS only. N network file system. So network file system. What is the port number, guys? What is the port number?
2049.
2049. Just remember, same way, you know some port numbers, right? So here NFS server port number, so NFS server port number 2049. 2049. We need to allow, we need to, both are interlinking only, both are same purpose only. We'll see. Now I am allowing this one also anywhere. So anything we need, if you need anything, just allow it. That's it. That's enough for me. Only anyway, I am work with what is this? Anywhere, anywhere. This is also anywhere. Save it. Just I created one security group. So in the security group, I allowed only two port numbers. SS allowed, and so SS means to connect the instance. You know, right? Everyone SSH. It is port number 22. How I am connecting, and for EFS purpose, I allowed 2049. That's it. Now go to. I am going to create two instances. See here. So launch instance. How many instances you want, guys? Two instances. Two I need. And so this is the EFS demo, EFS or NFS, whatever it may be, and both are same. Linux mission enough for me, Linux for me, and this is free tier enough for me. And key pair, how we are connecting, I need key. So I am using Terraform October key only. And the network settings, and so here select existing network security group. Which one we get? EFS, EFSSG demo, EFSSG demo, this one, correct? So here we allow two port numbers. One is SSS port number, and remaining same only, guys. Anyone any doubt here? Clear? So these are the very simple only. Just I created two launch two instances. Now this I launched two instances. Now this is nothing but so you know, right, a shared folder. It is acting like a shared folder. You know, right, shared folder. Shared folder means, so we can share files any mission, any mission or any instances. We are going Windows shared folder. But if you go to here, so these people they are providing EFS and NFS. Now instances ready. Now that's it. Now see here EFS. This is the EFS EC21, EC21, and this is the instance one. Okay, INS1, and this is the INS2. Edit. This is the okay, two machines. Okay, so two are launching. Okay, leave it. Now one part is done. My two machines run. So two instances ready. Now how to configure EFS, NFS and all? So there is one service, you know, right? Click on EFS, EFS, EFS. See here, managed file storage. I want to store some files, but this is common for both. How many instances you connected, that instance we can see managed file storage for EC2. If you want to store any files for instances, we can use so this is the file storage. Okay, now click on EFS, click on EFS, and so already this is available. Delete existing and all. I don't want this one. Okay, I don't want this one. That's it. I don't want this one. That's it. Okay, deleting. Now if you want to create there is a create file system. This is a very simple steps only, very simple steps only. Create file system. So it is a name, give any name, give any name. And so dev apps EFS, EFS demo, dev apps EFS, so demo I given. And so which is your VPC, which is your VPC where you want to create your EFS. So which VPC? This is the right? Just select whatever you want. Right now I have only one. Create it. That's it, guys. Nothing. Work is done. Work is done. See here, demo EFS. And so if you see here, if we click on this EFS, if we click on this EFS Elastic File System, and see here space, how much space and all available. So see here, what is the size? By default it is giving a k 6 kilobyte. Nothing is uploaded, nothing is uploaded, nothing is created, nothing is uploaded, nothing is created. So if we create any files and all, so we can check here, we can check here, we can check here. Okay, now see here, EFS is created. This is a like managed file system. EFS is created. Okay, now what is the default size also? Default size also 6 GB only, sorry, 6 KB only, 6 KB only. Hey, ఏమన్నావురా? Okay, so this is the general purpose, and this is the same only. And if you want to, we can change these things also. So this is the default, it is empty, right? It is empty, right? Only 6 kilobyte. Okay, now see, monitoring purpose, tags, file system, access point, network, and all these are same only. And so just go to click on attach. If you click on attach, see here. So here this is important. See, attach, mount your Amazon EFS file system on Linux instances. So if you want to use this file system, if you want to use this file system, we can give we are giving one path, right? This is the syntax. See, we can use EFS mount point, or we can use a NFS mount point. Whatever we want, we can use it. Both are same only. And NFS means they are giving some NFS server, and this is, see here, your EFS name and which region, and this is your path. This is your path. If you use EFS means this is a mount and hyphen T and EFS, and so this is your file system name, and this is your path. This is your local path. Whatever you want, we can use it. Okay, now before that, two instances ready, right? First connect these two instances. How to connect, guys? Same story. Go to here, close this one. First go to EC2, EC2. First let me connect both instances, both instances, and we'll see. So what are my instances? Now see here, these two, right? Click on one instance, connect, and copy this. Same, these are the same story only. Just I am connecting my instances. That's it. Apart from this, I am not going to do anything. Okay, paste it. So why it is taking this much time? Yes, my where is my PM file available, right? So connection, right? Terraform dot, this file is available or not? Check it. Copy and right click, open git bash. So paste it. Any marchanena correct na? Or I can change the names. What is my PM file? All are same only. All are same only. EFS SD demo correct only. Refresh it. This is leave it. We don't want. Why? Connection timeout error. Connection timeout means what's the problem, guys? Security group. Where is security group? This security group. Security group. And so port number I didn't allow. 22 I didn't allow. So click on this. I missed something. See here. Actually here we need to allow SSH, right? Which one we need to allow? SSH. Where is SSH? This one. custom. Okay, anywhere this is missed. Okay, 0 allowed, that is now correct only. SSH and 22. Now it will connect. Now we apply. Now see here. Security. Okay, one machine is ready. Same way connect another machine also. So I connected one second machine. So now go to here, this one also, second this one, right? Here also we need to check security group. So security group, where is, anyway it is available, right? It will connect, no problem. Connect, copy this. I am connecting a second mission. I am connecting second instance also. Right click, copy, git bash, just click on it. Okay, now this is, so anyone any doubt guys as of now? So I launched two instances. I connected two instances. Now how to configure EFS and all here? This is the syntax. So this is the syntax. So what is the syntax? How we are connecting EFS? If you go to EFS, click on EFS. Already I created one EFS, right? Already I created one EFS. Click on EFS and click on attach. These commands we can run anywhere. Okay. So first time, right? So first check it, update the packages. How to update? Sudo m update if and y. If anything, so latest it will update everything up to date only. So no need to do anything. Okay. Now we need to install one NFS client package also. One NFS client package also. So whether it is available or not, check it. So if you want to sudo m install. I hope everyone know what is m command. Some install nfs hyphen utils hyphen y. If it is not available, I am going to install. Already if it is available, no problem. Check it. So already available. See here, the latest already by default it is available. By default it is available. No need to install this one also. Just for checking only. But anyway, for old machines it is not available. But right, recent EC2 and all it is available. No need to do anything. Okay, that's it. Now come to here. So which one you want guys, whether you can use EFS, so or we can use this way. EFS means this is the command, NFS means this is the command, whatever you want we can use it. Okay, now copy this command, copy this, and this is a mount point guys, this is a mount point, this is a mount point, we can give any name. Now I am going to give, so here sudo mk mkdir, sudo mkdir. I am giving, so which mission, one or two, this is one, right? For example, uh, nfs okay, in nfs 1, just I'm giving one mission, just I'm giving mission 1, right? So this is my, so instance 1, or whatever you want we can give it, we can give any name. Okay, enter. I created one, so mount point, this is our local mount point, one directory. Now go to this, copy this command and just paste it here, just paste it here. And so which is the last my mount point, which is my mount point, nfs1 slash. అర్థమవుతుందా? Whatever name you given, just give that name here, that's it. Whatever name you given, this is the directory, this is the mount point directory only, just give that name, that's it. Okay, press enter. So press enter. Will take, it will come prompt. Okay, come to same here also, just create, so m sudo mkdir. I am giving sudo mkdir, I am giving nfs 2, just I am giving nfs 2, whatever you want we can give it, whatever you want, so we can so give it nfs 2. Now just copy the command, copy the, sorry, not this one, nfs path, where is this path, copy this path and just paste it, paste it, And so what I given, so my path is which path I given, nfs2, that's it. Okay, why it is taking long time? It won't take this much time. Check this server, uh, sudo ls blk root volume EFI. Which one I created? EFI or NFS1, right? You can give any name, or else come here also. We can follow same steps only. BLS sudo NFS. NFS it is already here is there. This is same only. Whatever you want. So we can go and check it. Same commands only. That's it. Apart from this, no need to do anything. Correct all right? We created one directory and it is already available. Created directory. Just copy and give that path. Sudo execute all commands. Whatever you want. So we can give it. Nothing. Maybe go to here instance. Go to EC2. Go to here. This is not. This is correct only. Now we need to go to EC2. Go to EC2. EC2. EC2 instance and check the same only. So this one right. Already we allowed NFS server. Correct all right. NF20 already we allowed. Already we allowed. This is correct only. All only. Next. It won't take this much time. Let me try again. Okay. So what is the command? Sudo mount. Same sudo mount nfs4. That's it. Nfs ifs whatever we created. Immediately it will come prompt. Immediately it will come. So prompt and all. Pick the service. Sudo sudo service status nfs hyphen utils hyphen status. Oh, it is inactive. It is the inactive. We need to start that service. Why it is stopping mode? I don't know. By default, it is start only. Now check it. Status. Now see here. Now it is active status. Okay. Same way. Go to in this instance also. We need to. What is the? We need to start that service. I don't. Actually, it is by default active only. Sudo service. Sudo service. nfs hyphen utils utils. What is package name? This is the package name, right? Utils hyphen status. We need to inactive irukku, so we need to start. Okay, now check it. Now it will work. But this and all no need to do. By default it will running only, but no, it is stopped mode. Okay, it is running. Now check it. Same command. Now check it. So how it will work? Control C. Okay, GLS. Clear the screen. And what is the command, guys? This is the command, right? This is the command. Sometimes we need to restart. Just now we restarted, right? It will take time. It will so take time. Just now I started, right? Same way. Started. Okay. same command only. That's it. Nothing else. So once it is activated, so once it is activated, and so now we can create a files and all, we can check it. So whatever files we created here, so we are giving one path, right? So same path it is available, it will check it. Still it is not activated. So not activated means just restart my both. Okay, to reboot. But by default, that service is running only, but I don't know why it is stopped mode. I started manually. Okay, I started manually. So that's it, guys. So once that is done, and create. This is the path, right? Here, this mission we given one path, and this mission also we given one path. At the end, we given one path, right? So this path, what path we given? So this one here we given one path, right? Go to this particular folder and create files, and so we can see, so both areas we can see here, we can see here, that is the, that's it, nothing, that's it. Anyone, any doubt, guys? So now I activated service, still it is not activated, just I restarted. We'll see how it will work. Clear, Chandrasekhar? Ashish, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, EC2, let me restart, already restarted, right? We'll check it. But default that service running state only, but I don't know why default it is stopped mode. So we'll check it. Now it is, once that is done, now check this, connect, already you are available, right? Just reconnect it. Okay, now sudo service nfs hyphen utils, nfs hyphen utils hyphen status. Now it is running, see at it, by default it is art start. Okay, now status, now it is running. Okay, I think I need to start here also. I reboot the mission, right? So that is the reason. Sudo service nfs hyphen utils utils status. Here also start it. Okay, status. Okay, that's it. Control C. So once that is done, so now we need to create so ls. I don't have anything. Here check it. ls. I don't have anything. rm space rf space capital R. So nfs 1 I'm deleting. Yes, ls. I don't have anything. Now I'm going to create one mk sudo m mkdr. I am giving so what I am giving so any one folder, that is the mount point. We can give mount point. So efs, checking this one, click on this, click on this, and attach, or we can give same name also, no problem. We can give same name also, that is your wish, guys. Whatever you want we can give is mkdr. I am giving so for example this is the instance, this is the for example uh, enfs nfs nfs demo 1. I given some name. Okay, whatever name we can give it. Hmm? So nfs 1, this is the nfs 1 machine, right? I'm giving a naming convention 1. Okay, now copy this command, copy this command up to here, go to here, paste it, go to here, paste it. Next we need to give this path, we need to give this path nfs1. This is the directory, right? nfs directory 1. So automatically it will come prompt. Still it is not activated. Okay. Network problem or anything will connect on. This is the same. Once it will come path only. So once that is done, same here also we mentioned, once that is done, whatever we want, we can create files and we can check it. Create files and check it. So if we create any file here, automatically that is reflected here also. If we create any file in this path, automatically it is reflected here also. That is the whole story. So that is the whole story. But here it is taking more time. So here also go to here sudo mk mkdir and so mkdir I can give so nfs to remote. Okay, this is the directory, right? This is the directory. Okay, now here what is the path I given? Nfs demo 2. Nfs demo 2. Nfs demo 2. So this is in this mission, this is the path. In this mission, this is the path. Just create files in this path, cd space nfs1, create some files and go and check in this path. We can reflect it automatically here also. Automatically reflected here also. Automatically reflected so here also. Clear guys? I don't know how much time it will take. So just try it. That's it. That is the whole concept. Apart from this, nothing. So we understand, right? Create one files here and we can check in this path available. Create any files in this path, we can check here also. That is the vice versa. That is the vice versa. So that is the vice versa. So that is the so vice versa. It is taking more time. Why it is taking long time? Now go to here security group. Let me check security group. Immediately it will come. I don't know why it is coming this much time. EC2, 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 availability zone. Where is EFS? EFS. EFS. Click on this. We'll see any settings and all. No need to do anything. Just click on this. Click on edit. Here nothing is there. Performance system. Okay. File system. And select view details. View details. Monitoring tags. File system. Network point access replication. Already this and all no need to do anything. Let me create new one. Okay, we'll click how it will work. I'm giving so demo 2 EFS demo 3. Okay, any something VPC. I'll not go to customized. This is regional only. I didn't change anything. Okay, backup no need. And this and all life cycle management after 30 days if you want to automatically delete and all, no need to do anything. And go to here additional settings. This and all no need to change anything. Click on next. Maybe here is the problem. Okay, so where is my instance is running guys? My instance is running which where it is running, which availability zone? Anyone మర్చిపోయినారా? My instance is running which availability zone? US East 1A, కరెక్టా? హలో, వినిపిస్తా ఉందా?
Yes.
ES 1A. So if you see here, I created a file system, but it is taking a different security group. I don't want this one. this and all no need. Anyway, we are using D also no need, B also no need, A enough. And here we need to select which security group I allowed. EFS demo, right? This is the security group we need to allow. I missed this one, right? And remaining same. Next, and so next create. Now we can check it. So check it. It is creating demo 3. It is creating. I hope now it will work. This is the problem. So enable available. Just refresh it. Just refresh it. Now come to my instance. Now ls. I am deleting rm space hyphen r and nfs 2. Yes, ls, and go to this instance also. Ls. I don't have anything. First create it. Okay, I don't have anything, right? Now come to here. Now it will work. Now go to here. So click on this one and click on attach. Now same only. So we can, if you want to, we can give same name, or else copy this one. Go to first instance. First I am creating sudo mkdir. I am giving I am giving dev one. This is our folder name, guys. That nothing. Okay. This is your folder name only. This is your folder name only. Created. Now same come to here. Sudo mkdir and so dev apps 2. I given 2. Whatever name you can give it. That's it. Now created, right? Now go to copy this path and go to here first mission. Just paste it and EFS. What is my name? Which name I given? DevApps. DevApps 1. Now see here, I got it, right? Now same way, go to here, paste it, and what is my here local path? Mount point, DevApps, DevApps 2. Okay, in this mission I given 2. First mission I given 1. That's it. Now see here, front is coming. Now go to here, check ls, cd space, DevApps, and ls. I don't have anything, right? Create one file, sir. touch touch space, touch space. For example, file 1.txt. Sudo, give sudo file1.txt. Now go to second mission, cd space devapps 2, and check it here. Automatically we can see file 1 here. Actually this file created where? Which mission? One mission, right? అర్థమైందా? ఫైల్ 1 ఎక్కడ క్రియేట్ చేసినాను? ఈ సర్వర్లో క్రియేట్ చేసిన ఆటోమేటిక్ విర్చువల్ హియర్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ హియర్ ఐఎమ్ క్రియేటింగ్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద టచ్ sudo touch touch. For example, this is the linux2 mission, linux2.txt file. Now go to first mission. It is visible or not? At least guess it. ఫస్ట్ మిషన్ విజిబుల్ అవుతుందా, విజిబుల్ కాదా? హలో. సో ఇప్పుడు నేను ఈ పాత్రలోకి వెళ్ళి ఒక ఫైల్ని స్టోర్ చేశాను. ఈ మిషన్లో విజిబుల్ అవుతుందా, విజిబుల్ కాదా? చంద్రశేఖర్,
No, sir.
ఏయ్, ఇన్స్టెప్ క్రియేట్ చేసింది ఎన్ఎఫ్ఎస్ అంటే సేమ్.
Yes, sir. Yes. It's visible.
It will visible,
Vice
right?
versa.
This is visible. That is the concept, right? This is the common path. This is like shared folder. So if you want to copy files, సో మీరు ఇక్కడ ఈ ఫైల్స్ని ఈ పాత్రలు పెట్టినా ఇక్కడ డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది, ఈ ఫైల్స్ని ఎక్కడ పెట్టినా ఇక్కడ విజిబుల్ అవుతుంది. ఎందుకే? హియర్ ఐఎమ్ యూజింగ్ ఎన్ఎఫ్ఎస్, రైట్? ఎన్ఎఫ్ఎస్, దిస్ ఈస్ ద మౌంట్ పాయింట్. నౌ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ వీ కెన్ చెక్ ఇట్ హియర్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? lsblk. See here, we can see lsblk and so df hyphen kh, df hyphen kh. See here, mount point. What is my mount point here in this mission? DevApps 1. If you go here, you can check here what is the mount point. So df hyphen kh. See here, this is the in this path. ఈ మౌంట్ పాయింట్ లో మీరు ఏ ఫైల్ చేసినా సో ఆటోమేటిక్లీ విజిబుల్ అవుతుంది. సో ఇక్కడ డిస్ప్లే ఇక్కడ మీకు సో క్రియేట్ చేసిన ఫైల్స్ ఈ మిషన్లో ఈ పాత్రలు విజిబుల్ అవుతాయి. ఈ మిషన్లో ఈ మౌంట్ పాయింట్లో మీరు కాపీ చేసి ఫేస్ కొట్టిన ఫైల్స్ అన్ని ఈ మిషన్లో విజిబుల్ అవుతాయి. దట్ ఈస్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్. ఐ హోప్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్, రైట్? క్లియర్?
Yes.
So this is like simply if you want to understand common path, shared folder. Simply if you want to understand shared folder or common path. So that's it. So I hope you got it right. So just practice it and interview also mostly they are asking what is EFS, what is NFS. Both are same only. EFS and NFS both purpose is same only slight difference. That EFS is managed by so AWS people. NFS is based on network file system. It is replication. It is replication is done. So just Google it. What is difference between EFS and NFS? But purpose is same only. Whether if you want to, we can use this one or whether we can use this one also. We can use any path. We can use this path or we can use this path. Right now I used this path. We can use this path also. It will work 100%. There is no problem. But both are same only. But only one difference is this is via network files and all. It will right connect. This is directly it is connecting so file system format, that is the only difference. Clear guys? So that's it from